الله، لا إله إلا الله. بسم الله، بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بسم الله.
Hello? What is that?
You know how amazing my daddy is? He says I'm the best girl in the world.
Excuse me, sir. Did something happen to your daughter?
What does he say? Bro, this isn't normal. Ask what he did to her.
Are you touching his stuff?
What the hell is that? I told you, her dad is doing something horrible. We need to leave now.
Listen, I'm not leaving without finding out where she is. Can we just go to the basement?
Hello? What's back there?
هذا المقطع تنويه. هذا المقطع قد يتضمن على محتوى غير مناسب لبعض المشاهدين. ينصح بالمتابعة
يا هلا بكل متابعين ومشاهدين قناة وليد عمر للرعب. لو أول مرة بتشوفني أو أول مرة بتشوفي القناة، أنا اسمي وليد وبنقدم محتوى رعب هيعجبك جدا. بس أتمنى منك لو عجبك الفيديو ما تنساش تعمل لايك وسبسكرايب للقناة وتفعل جرس التنبيهات عشان يوصلك كل جديد بنقدمه في القناة. وما تنساش دعمك باللايك عشان ده مهم جدا، لأني بيساعد الفيديو ينتشر بسرعة ويوصل لأكبر عدد من الناس. الفيديو بتاعنا النهاردة للمغامرين أجانب. المغامرين أجانب دول أنا كنت عملت عنهم فيديوهات كتيرة، ياريت لو مشوفتهاش تروح تتفرج عليها. الفيديو النهاردة إن بنت عايشة مع والدها ده دكتور، والدكتور ده كان شغال في مستشفى، ولما طردوه من العمل ابتدى يجيله حالة اكتئاب، فقرر إن هو يعمل في البدرون تحت مكان كده زي أكن عمليات جراحية بيحول الإنسان من بني آدم لكلب. ولما ابتدى يخش في حالة الاكتئاب، البنت بتقول كل ما تيجي تنام بتسمع صوت صراخ أو بتسمع صوت أنين غريب جدا، لدرجة إن الأصوات بتخوفها وما بتعرفش تنام، ووصلت لحالة مرعبة جدا ومخيفة جدا. الدكتور ده ابتدى إن هو ياخد بني آدمين ويحول البنت أو الولد من بني آدم طبيعي إلى حيوانات زي الكلب والحاجات دي. ولما المغامرين راحوا البيت قرروا إن هم يحطوا كاميرات المراقبة عشان يراقبوا حركات الأب ويشوف إيه اللي بيحصل بالظبط. ولما حطوا الكاميرات بدأ المغامر ينام عشان لما يصحى يشوف إيه اللي حصل في الكاميرات المراقبة اللي هم حطوها في كل مكان في البيت. ولما صحيوا وشافوا في الكاميرات ان الراجل بياخد بنته بينزل بيها البدرون وبيحولها بطريقة غريبة جدا ومرعبة جدا. تعال نشوف ايه اللي حصل معاهم والمغامرة. بس ما تنساش تدعمنا باللايك وتكتب تعليق فيه الصلاة على سيدنا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم. يلا نشوف الفيديو ونشوف ايه اللي حصل معاهم.
Hi, are you Chloe?
Yeah, I am.
Is it cool if we come in and talk?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, let's go.
Yes, it's right over here.
Okay. Hi. Are you her father? Yeah, we're friends with your daughter.
He's a good guy. He's first brother.
Daddy, are you gonna go back in your room?
Okay, let's just like sit down and talk here. Come on. Okay, Chloe, thank you for letting us sit down with you.
Yes, thank you.
So, can you tell us more about what's been going on?
Yeah, so at night, usually when I'm trying to sleep, I've started hearing these weird noises. For the first couple nights, there was this weird whining sound. Then I heard scratching, chewing, and almost like a peeling sound.
Dude, what?
Okay, well, your dad just mentioned something about your brother. What's that about?
I'm not supposed to talk about that.
Yeah, so is there something that's like going on with your dad?
You know how amazing my daddy is? He says I'm the best girl in the world.
Okay, right.
But I'm really worried about my daddy. He was fired from his job a few weeks ago. I think he's been really depressed.
What kind of job did he have?
He worked for a medical company as a, surgeon.
Okay, so do you think that getting fired, like, made him depressed?
Yeah, and he told me our dog just ran away too. He's really sad. I hear him crying in the basement sometimes. I feel horrible. Sometimes I even hear him screaming down there.
Well, it sounds like you care about your dad a lot, and you're a good daughter.
Yeah, he just hasn't been himself. I can tell he's really hurting.
Bro,
What?
let's look in the basement.
Yeah, so do you think it would be okay if Chester and I, like, looked around your house and the basement?
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Bro, did you see that guy? What the hell's wrong with him?
Huh? Who are you talking about, our dad?
Yeah. What, did that guy seem normal to you?
What? I don't know, I guess he's off, but he just lost his job.
Okay, well, how would that make him creepy?
Listen, dude, she just said that she's been hearing weird noises. Let's just focus on setting up a camera in the basement, okay?
Okay.
Okay, come on. The basement door's over here.
Okay.
Now let's go.
Go on. Dude, what is all this stuff?
Dude, there's a room behind here.
What? Dude, what is this place? Oh, dude, this is disgusting. You think he's been sleeping down here?
I really don't know, bro.
What are these things?
Dude, there's another room back here.
Huh?
Come here, check it out.
What's back there?
Hold on.
Dude, why does he have all this set up?
I don't know, dude. He was a surgeon, right? It's probably just some of his old stuff.
What is
I think I'm gonna set up a camera in here too, okay?
Okay. Dude, what is this? What?
Dude, what's going on?
Bro, there's like this weird chest here, and it has all these things connected to it.
Dude, just leave it alone, okay?
Bro, I don't know what any of this stuff is. Why does he have this down here?
I put the camera down. Can we get out of here? This beeping is like super annoying.
But bro,
Yo, did you hear that, bro?
huh?
I think Chloe just screamed.
Wait, what?
Let's go.
Okay.
Did you hear it?
Parker, come here.
What's wrong?
Dude, her dad's here.
Excuse me, sir. We were just downstairs and heard screaming. Did something happen?
My baby can't play with you boys. He's dead.
What did he say?
Okay, come on, dude. Let's go to the room. Let's check on her.
What's happening right now?
Okay, let's go check on her. Chloe? Hi, Chloe? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Dude, what did he do? What's wrong with her?
Are you okay? We heard you screaming.
Yeah, I don't know. My daddy says I'm sick.
Bro, this isn't normal. Ask what he did to her.
Yeah, Chloe, so when we were down in the basement, we heard you yelling. If something happened between you and your dad, you need to tell us.
No, you're fine. I just need to sleep. I hope I'll feel better. My daddy brought me tea.
I don't think you should drink this. Chloe, you really don't seem okay. I think we should take you to a doctor right now.
No, I'll be fine. And I don't want to leave my daddy alone. He really needs me.
Yeah, so is it okay if we like set up a camera in your room really quick?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Just give me 1 second.
Chloe. What did you say the name of your dog was?
Her name's Pepper. Why?
Okay, so we got that camera set up. Tomorrow morning when we wake up, we can all watch the footage.
Okay.
Okay. Good night, Chloe.
Good night.
Okay, come on.
Bro,
Shut it up.
bro, what the hell's going on?
Dude, I really don't know.
We heard her scream. That her dad tells us she's sick. Something really messed up is going on here.
Yeah, I know. We really need to get this footage tonight.
Bro, who cares about footage? She said her dog's name was Pepper. Do you know what that means?
Dude, what? Let's just wait until her dad leaves his room so we can put a camera in there.
Dude, seriously?
Come on. He's not in his room. Let's check it out.
Okay.
Let's go in. Oh, this room smells, bro. Let me set this camera up.
All right. got all this stuff in his closet. What is that? A computer? What?
Are you touching his stuff?
Wait a second. Is that Chloe?
Chester, what are you looking at?
Dude, he has all these pictures on here. What the hell is that?
Dude, that's disgusting. You can look that kind of stuff up on your own time.
Dude, it was already on the screen. It's not mine.
Listen, I already set up the camera in here, bro. Let's just get out and go to our room before it comes back.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Dude, can you get off your phone for 2 seconds? I need to talk to you.
Yeah, what's bothering you?
Dude, something happened to Chloe, and her dad should not have all that stuff down in the basement. Something sick is going on here.
Dude, but you know we put cameras in the basement and like all over this house. We're gonna be able to see what's going on in the morning.
Bro, why do you care so much about collecting footage? Just because you feel safe sleeping here doesn't mean I do.
Bro, why are you giving me such a hard time? Do you not want to help these people?
Dude, that's not what I'm trying to say.
Okay, dude, listen. Can we just like go to sleep now? I can like listen to you complain more in the morning.
Whatever. Dude, there's a stain on my pillow.
Whatever, it's fine. Just ignore it. Please.
Okay.
Good night.
Good night.
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Okay, so we just woke up. How'd you sleep, Chester?
Well, why do you care?
Okay, well, could you please just go wake up Chloe? I'm gonna go set up the footage so we can watch it.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go wake up Chloe now. Chloe? Oh God. Chloe? I don't know where she went. I gotta go tell Parker. Dude, Parker, I just went in Chloe's room and she's gone.
What?
Dude, I told you, her dad is doing something horrible. We need to leave now.
Dude, relax. She's probably still in the house. Listen, I'm gonna watch the footage from last night. If you wanna watch it, you can come with me.
Dude, wait, bud.
Come on.
Fine.
Okay, so let's look at this footage from last night. Okay, so it looks like her dad was on his computer last night.
Go to Chloe's room.
Okay. What? There's something wrong with her.
Dude, I don't like this. Dude, her dad took her. He took her into the basement.
Listen, we have to go down to the basement and look for her.
No, dude, no. It's too late. We gotta leave now.
Dude, come on. Can we just go to the basement?
Well, let's check out her dad's room first. I want to see if there's anything more on his computer.
Okay, let's go to his room and then to the basement to find Chloe. Okay?
Okay.
Come on. Okay, so her dad just went out back. Let's go in his room. Come on.
Okay.
Oh, still smells in here, dude. Okay, so what do you want to do?
Just hold on. What the hell is this? Is this supposed to be us? Why is there a giant hole in me?
Dude, look at this. He broke his stuff. Dude, I told you shouldn't have looked up that stuff on his computer yesterday.
Dude, I wasn't doing that. Did you see what he drew?
Okay, whatever. Let's just go to the basement now. We gotta try to find Chloe.
Okay. Wait, don't you want to set up another camera in here?
Nah, I don't think you saw the one we put here yesterday. Come on, let's just go find Chloe.
Okay.
Come on, let's go see if she's down there.
Alright.
Okay, come on.
Okay.
Come on. Let's see if she's here. Chloe? Are you down here?
Dude, I don't like this.
Chloe?
Bro, we shouldn't be down here.
Hold on. Let's go check the other room. Chloe?
What? What the hell happened down here?
What?
He used all those tools last night.
Wait.
Dude, I think something bad happened down here last night.
Dude, just calm down. We don't know anything yet. All we saw is that he brought her down here.
Oh my God! How don't you get it? Something sick is going on here.
Okay, so what do you want to do?
I don't know, look! There's still an IV going to that box! I think he's hiding something in there.
Okay, you wanna know what? Let's just see.
It's locked now? We gotta open it!
Dude, it's locked. What do you want me to do?
Chloe's missing, bro! We have to know what's in there!
Listen, she's clearly not down here.
Dude, please, we gotta get out of here.
No. Just one more night, and we can find out what's really going on here.
Dude, this is sick. Dude, what are you doing?
What are you doing? I'm just trying to chill. You're just walking back and forth.
Bro, what we saw in that basement is not normal. Her dad knows we've been recording him. We're not safe here.
Listen, if we want any chance of finding out where he took Chloe, we're gonna need to record him again.
Bro, but why? I don't think we can help these people, and I don't think you even care about helping them.
What the hell are you talking about?
You don't care, you just want to record them.
Listen, dude, while you've been complaining to me the last day, I've just been trying to do my job. And the only reason I've been on my phone so much is because I've actually been looking online to try to find nearby therapists and help these people.
What? That's ridiculous. What the hell would that do?
At least I'm trying something. Can we just go to sleep now? Is that allowed?
Dude, come on, don't be like that. Alright, that's fine. Dude, my pillow's even wetter than it was the first night.
Huh?
Were you in here earlier?
Dude, whatever. Just ignore it. Let's go to sleep.
Okay. Parker! Dude, wake up! Do you hear that?
Dude, what is that?
I don't know, we gotta get out of here.
That might be Chloe, bro. Come on. Let's go.
Bro, I don't really think it's a good idea.
I'm gonna check around here.
I think it's coming from down here. Parker?
Sir? What's going on? Sir? Chester? Chester, where are you?
What is that?
Hello? What's back there? Chloe?
Chester.
What? What was that?
Chester. Your dad just tried to attack me. What are you doing?
Dude, there's something back here.
Oh, dude, don't touch that thing. It looks like it's sick. Come on, we gotta get out of here.
Dude, what's it doing? Chester, come on!
Where's your car, bro?
I don't know, what the hell was that? It took my shoe!
Bro, who cares? Come on, we need to find our car.
What the hell just happened?
زي ما شفنا الفيديو، حاجة غريبة جدا ومرعبة جدا ان الاب شكله ما يقولش ان هو بني ادم طبيعي. ده شكله يقول ان شيطان ابتدى ان هو يقرأ عليه طلاسم لدرجة ان هو حوله بالشكل ده او بالهيكل اللي انت شفته عليه ده. حاجة غريبة جدا. البنت كانت خايفة جدا، ولما دخلوا او المغامرين ابتدوا ان هم يسمعوا اصوات صراخ في البيت، ابتدوا ان هم ينزلوا ويشوفوا ايه اللي بيحصل. وجدوا الكائن اللي انت شفته الغريب اللي هم عامل زي الكلب ده. يا ريت تسيب لنا رأيك في التعليقات وتقول لنا رأيك عن المغامرة. ما تنساش لو عجبك الفيديو تعمل لايك وسبسكرايب للقناة وتفعل جرس التنبيهات عشان يوصلك كل جديد بنقدمه في القناة. وبشكر كل الناس اللي بتدعمني وكل اللي بيحط لايك بشكرهم جدا، وبشكر كل المشتركين الجداد اللي بيتابعوا الفيديوهات. واشوفكم في فيديو جديد، وما تنساش تصلي على الحبيب صلى الله عليه وسلم. كان معكم وليد من قناة الرعب. سلام.